So most of you know about French press, but why do we love this method? Well, it's a full immersion method, which means that you get more of the flavor of the coffee bean. It really pulls out the oil from the coffee bean, and it just is delicious and robust. So how do you do it? Well, it's pretty simple. Let me show you. So first, you just want to warm your beaker. Now make sure that the water's not too hot. You just want it to be warm, not hot, because you don't want to break the glass. Now that your beaker is all warm, you're going to do about 1 tablespoon of grounds per 8 ounces of water. So now we're going to give it a stir. Place the plunger right on top. And now you're gonna let it steep for 4 minutes. You don't wanna go longer than 4 minutes because it can cause the coffee to get bitter. So now to strain the grounds out, you're gonna push down slowly because otherwise you'll get grounds everywhere and it will be very splashy. And now you pour your cup. Put the rest of your coffee in a separate container so it doesn't get bitter, and enjoy.